Now, tens of thousands of firefighters still battling that deadly wildfire, multiple wildfires in Los Angeles County. And while they're making some progress, they're expecting to face strong Santa Ana winds through Wednesday night. The fires have burned through roughly 40,000 acres, causing at least 24 deaths and destroying more than 12,000 homes and businesses. And folks, tonight, if you'd like to help out those families who have lost everything, infrastructure support company Cotton Holdings is now collecting donations. So the company has two local offices, one in Atlanta on Atlanta South Parkway and the other one in Duluth on River Green Parkway. Tomorrow and Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. you could drop off some new or gently used clothing and shoes. Organizers say it's time to help out our neighbors over there on the West Coast.
It takes a few minutes to go into your closet and part with a few things that you just may not need anymore. Whereas there's someone on a different coast who needs it now more than ever. They have lost everything to their name. And that sweatshirt or those socks, someone can use them.
Absolutely. So for more information on Cotton Holdings Clothing Drive, just search for this story online tonight at 11alive.com. Let's get back to our